mute opens. That's normal operation. So let's say that you're now only one toggles. You can manually turn that amp on and off, but I wouldn't recommend it. Welcome to D-Lab. As you guys know, I build a custom line of ham radio antenna changeover relays. Their purpose is to replace those obsolete Dow key relays that were built back in the 50s and 60s. Those are all failing, and it's hard to find a replacement. So I came up with the Model 5 and the Model 8, and they were a huge success. Then I came out with the Super 8 AC and DC modules, and I can't keep them on the shelf. So I thought, what's the next step? Well, here it is. It is the Super 8-TS, and that stands for time sequence. This module adds some very desirable features. Let me show you what it does. So here it is, guys. The new D-Lab Super 8-TS antenna changeover relay. This module is different from my others because it uses an external 12 volt DC power supply. Reason is there's circuitry in here that needs power all the time for the sequence to work. Whereas my other modules, you would inject either 120 volts or 12 volt DC to operate them. So here is the sequence of events with this module. Number one, when you activate it, it changes the antenna over from receiver to transmit, just like my other modules. But this module has sequence of these switched outputs. So the mute is normally closed. I can change that to normally open if you need it. Amplifier 2 and amplifier 1 are normally open. When you key the module by shorting key and ground, mute and amplifier 2 come on at the same time. A split second later, amplifier 1 will activate. This is in case you wanted to stage amplifiers, but you could use that switching method for other devices. But for this application, I elected to go ahead and use amplifiers and mute as my outputs. Alright, I've plugged in the Super 8-TS. As I stated before, to activate the module, you simply short key to ground. You can hear the internal relay clicking. But at the same time, when you change over the antenna, mute and amplifier 2 toggle. So mute opens, amplifier 2 closes. A split second later, amplifier 1 is also activating. Another thing I want to show you guys is that the sequence TR switch can have a remote control function added. Now this is a special order. What this is an 8-pin interface cable, and this box will allow you to interrupt the time sequencing. So let's say you just wanted to run your transmitter, you can turn off both of the amplifiers. Or let's say you just want to run 1 amp, you can enable one, the other stays off. This indicator light toggles at the same time as the one on the unit. So this 3-foot cable will allow the sequence module to be behind your transmitter, but yet you can control it in front. So next is a nifty demonstration of the Super 8-TS unit with the remote control head on a 3-foot interface cable. I'm actually building this special model for a customer, and he wants to see it in operation. On my website, you'll see the standard Super 8-TS without the remote box. But if you're interested, drop me a line. I have 2 of these built and ready to go. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate the Super 8 time sequence TR switch using the remote control module. Okay, so I have 3 meters hooked up. We're looking at the mute circuit, which is normally closed, and then we have amp 1 and amp 2, which are on the normally open contacts. Okay, so I'm going to key the module. You'll see the 2 amps close, the mute opens. That's normal operation. So let's say that you're running a station with 2 amplifiers. You did not want amplifier 2 to come on. So when you kill that, now only 1 toggles. you can manually turn that amp on and off, but I wouldn't recommend that. You can also kill amp 1. Or you can kill both. So now just your transmitter is sending RF. If you want to enable an amp, enable both amps. Muting is unaffected because obviously you would not want your receiver to unmute during transmission. So Polly and I are doing our best to keep vintage ham radio alive. If you guys are interested in one of my cool antenna changeover relays, contact me through dlabelectronics.com. See ya.